Hiccups are sudden, involuntary contractions of the diaphragm muscle. Each contraction is followed by a sudden closure of your vocal cords, which produces the characteristic hic sound. As the muscle contracts repeatedly, the opening between the vocal cords snaps shut to check the inflow of air and makes the hiccup sound. Irritation of the nerves that extend from the neck to the chest can cause hiccups. Hiccups are either short or persistent. The short hiccups is normal, lasts some minutes and stops by itself even without you knowing when. The persistent hiccups are those that last after 48 hours. This is abnormal cause for concern because it may be sign of critical disease such as stroke or kidney problem, so hurriedly go see your doctor. Causes. The most common causes for hiccups that last less than 48 hours include 1. Excitement or emotional stress. 2. Sudden temperature changes. 3. Swallowing air with chewing gum or sucking on candy. 4. Drinking carbonated beverages. 5. Drinking too much alcohol. 6. Eating too much. Hiccups that last more than 48 hours may be caused by a variety of factors, which can be grouped into the following categories. 1. Metabolic disorders and drugs. These are long-term hiccups can be triggered by diabetes, electrolyte imbalance, kidney disease, steroids, tranquilizers, alcoholism, anesthesia or barbiturates. 2. Nerve damage or irritation. A cause of long-term hiccups is damage to or irritation of the vagus nerves or phrenic nerves, which serve the diaphragm muscle. Factors that may cause damage or irritation to these nerves include tumor, cyst or goiter in your neck, gastroesophageal reflux, sore throat or laryngitis or hair or something else in your ear touching your eardrum. 3. Central nervous system disorders. A tumor or infection in your central nervous system or damage to your central nervous system as a result of trauma can disrupt your body's normal control of the hiccup reflex. Instances include encephalitis, meningitis, multiple sclerosis, traumatic brain injury, tumors or stroke. That's it on causes of hiccups. On natural treatment for hiccups, check for the video in this video's description. Note, even though our procedures are 100% natural, with no side effect, yet, it's at your own risk. This video is for educational and informational purpose, and not as substitute for the advice, treatment and/or diagnosis of a qualified licensed health professional. Please check this video description for our disclaimer, and to find helpful paths on this topic. Thanks for watching. If you enjoyed this video, subscribe to our channel and like the video. Also, share our channel with your family and friends so they can benefit as well.